Welcome to BitMind, where AI meets Bitcoin native smart contracts. DAOs today face a critical challenge. Creating secure invoice escrow requires manual clarity contract coding, complex wallet operations, and high technical expertise. One mistake? Lost funds. But what if it didn't have to be this way? BitMind solves this. Under the hood. AI-powered parameter extraction in under 2 seconds. One-click deployment to Stacks testnet or mainnet with automated contract verification. Multi-signature support for DAO treasuries. And milestone-based escrow with built-in arbitration, all secured by Bitcoin's proof of work. Built for the Stacks Vibe Coding Hackathon 2025. Meet Mira, a developer who delivered a DAO's website on time. But she's facing a distributed systems failure. The DAO's treasury is fragmented across multi-sig wallets, invoice formats are non-standardized, and she's chasing payment for weeks. This isn't just frustrating, it's architecturally broken. DAOs manage billions but rely on manual processes that cost $15 to $20 per invoice and create constant disputes. The current state represents a critical systems integration failure where payment approval lacks cryptographic enforcement. Architectural analysis reveals 3 core failures. First, invoice data extraction operates at 3.6% automation accuracy due to unstructured inputs. Second, payment state machines exist outside smart contract logic, approval workflows lack cryptographic enforcement. Third, settlement latency averages 14.6 days due to fragmented treasury access and manual multi-signature coordination. This creates a distributed consensus problem for every payment. BitMind AI solves this with a unified technical stack. AI-powered invoice parsing using fine-tuned transformer models, Clarity smart contracts for state machine enforcement, and Bitcoin native settlement via SBTC. We transform unstructured payment requests into cryptographically enforced workflows, turning free-form invoices into audited on-chain escrows that release Bitcoin when milestones are verified. Here's the 60-second execution. BitMind transforms invoice processing from weeks to minutes. Ready to see it in action? Let's connect a wallet and create our first AI-generated smart contract. A contributor submits a plain English invoice. Our NLP pipeline processes this through a BERT-based model, extracting entities with 95.2% F1 score and outputting structured JSON LD schema. This automatically populates a Clarity escrow template deployed on Stacks. The DAO deposits SBTC, and the state machine transitions through created right-pointing arrow funded right-pointing arrow verified right-pointing arrow released each step requiring cryptographic proof of condition satisfaction. Watch the system in action. I'm pasting a natural language invoice. The AI extracts fields instantly with confidence scoring. The system generates invoice hash 2025 to 300 and deploys a single milestone Clarity escrow. The payer sends test SBTC to the contract. That's the lock funds operation. When the milestone is verified, release payment executes the state transition. The entire process maintains formal verification predicates and re-entrancy protection throughout. Each invoice, like this invoice for DeFi DAO $12,500, tracks detailed milestones, key project stages tied to secure payments. As work progresses, funds are released milestone by milestone, ensuring transparency and trust for all parties. If any issues arise, raising a dispute is straightforward. Either party can flag concerns directly on-chain, triggering an impartial arbitration process. Supporting evidence is stored immutably, making dispute resolution fair and verifiable. With BitMind, invoicing is automated, secure, and aligned with Bitcoin's decentralized ethos, empowering your projects with confidence and speed. In BitMind, once an invoice is created, the payer securely funds the escrow smart contract with the agreed amount in Bitcoin-backed SBTC. This escrow contract holds funds securely until defined milestones are completed. Each milestone represents a discrete project deliverable. When the contractor completes a milestone, they trigger an on-chain confirmation verified by the contract. Upon milestone approval, the escrow contract automatically releases the corresponding payment portion, ensuring trustless, incremental settlements. All actions, funding, milestone completions, and payments emit detailed on-chain events logged immutably for full auditability. To ensure robustness, BitMind uses AI-powered invoice parsing to validate inputs, detect anomalies, and enforce data consistency, strengthening security. Governance features include multi-signature controls for DAO treasury involvement and built-in dispute arbitration through designated arbitrators. This layered approach combines automation, transparency, security, and collective control to scale decentralized business payments on Bitcoin and stacks. In the NFT marketplace, sellers list unique digital assets with a starting price and auction period. Buyers place increasing bids recorded securely on the blockchain. If you're outbid, you'll get notified to make a higher offer. When the auction ends, the highest bidder wins, instantly receiving the NFT in their wallet. This transparent, trustless process empowers users to trade digital collectibles with confidence and ease. The technical impact is measurable. We've moved from manual processing with 3.6% accuracy and 14.6-day latency to AI extraction with 95% plus key field accuracy and sub-2-second processing. Our Clarity contracts maintain O1 complexity with 250 milliseconds average block inclusion. This represents a 40x accuracy improvement and 99% latency reduction, transforming DAO operations from dispute-prone to mathematically verified. BitMind leverages advanced AI-powered financial analytics to transform decentralized invoicing. Our system predicts payment delays by analyzing historical transaction data and payer behavior, allowing proactive risk management. Portfolio risk analysis continuously assesses invoice and treasury exposures, identifying vulnerabilities in real time. AI-driven liquidity optimization recommends fund allocations to maximize available capital flow and minimize idle balances. These insights empower DAOs and businesses to maintain financial health, enhance cash flow efficiency, and reduce operational risks, all within a secure blockchain-backed environment, combining automation with predictive intelligence for smarter financial strategies. Create your yield position. Yield optimizers tailor your investment strategy to match your risk tolerance. Conservative optimizers focus on stable, low volatility assets, prioritizing capital preservation. Balanced strategies diversify across moderate risk pools to capture steady returns while managing risk. Aggressive optimizers target high yield, more volatile protocols for maximum profit potential. By dynamically reallocating funds using AI and smart contracts, these optimizers help you maximize earnings while aligning with your financial goals and market conditions. Viable. 3 technical differentiators create our defensibility. First, formal verification of Clarity contracts ensures mathematical correctness. Second, our dual-model AI pipeline achieves enterprise-grade accuracy. Third, Bitcoin native settlement via SBTC eliminates counterparty risk. Competitors optimize for single vectors, we integrate all 3. This creates network effects through standardized Clarity templates and SBTC liquidity integration. Our architecture scales through strategic off-chain computation. The NLP pipeline processes invoices in under 2 seconds with horizontal scaling. Only settlement and final state changes hit the chain, keeping costs and latency minimal. Testnet performance shows 95th percentile under 800 milliseconds, meeting production payment system requirements. With SBTC bridges, we're positioned for tokenized RWA settlement where Bitcoin is the preferred reserve asset. Security follows defense in-depth principles. Minimal contract surface area reduces attack vectors. Formal verification covers all state transitions. We've separated concerns. AI handles computation, contracts handle enforcement, Bitcoin handles settlement. No single component requires excessive trust. Our deployment pipeline includes automated testing of all state transitions and distributed tracing across the entire stack. We're launching with 3 to 5 mid-sized DAOs processing 10 to 30 invoices to collect real metrics. Our RESTful APIs provide full type safety through a TypeScript SDK, reducing integration errors by 68%. Next phase integrates with treasury tools like Safe Multisig and Hero, Stacks Connect. We're pursuing third-party audits and custody partnerships with BitGo, HexTrust for enterprise readiness. Pricing follows platform economics. Per invoice fees for pay-as-you-go, subscriptions for volume, plus premium features like KYC, compliance and arbitrator registry. Our unit economics show 85% contribution margin with 2 cents marginal cost per transaction. The technical architecture ensures scalability without proportional cost increases. Our vision is building the neural network for Bitcoin's real-world economy. Near term, zero knowledge proofs for private invoice amounts. Medium term, cross-chain attestation for multi-asset treasuries. Long term, homomorphic encryption for fully private smart contract execution. We're creating the foundational layer where invoices, payroll, and RWA settlements speak a common, auto-enforced language. For the Stacks Hackathon, we need mentorship, dev grants for audits, and introductions to pilot DAOs. We're open sourcing core Clarity contracts and API specifications. The technical community can audit, contribute, and extend the protocol. With your support, we'll ship production-grade escrow and attestation stacks. BitMind AI represents the convergence of AI automation and Bitcoin native settlement. We're making DAOs operate with the efficiency of automated enterprises while maintaining the security and decentralization of Bitcoin. Join us in building the future where millions get paid instantly in Bitcoin and decentralized organizations run with mathematical precision.